Minogigije babanujiug. Good morning. Welcome to morning meeting. Today is April 8th, 2020. Let me check my external brain really quickly. In case you were thinking of going outside today, the weather right now feels like 45 degrees, which is warmer than it was when we were in school together. It won't be as hot today as it was yesterday. Yesterday it got pretty hot. I would not be surprised if you made it outside. I did, for sure. I went for a walk around the neighborhood. It will be a high of 55 today, so nice weather. If you need anything, it would be a really light sweater. I think you'll be okay. But remember to ask a grown-up if it's safe to go outside, okay? Your lessons today, we will not have blast today, but you do have your new brain spin video to watch today. I am curious to see how you do. This one felt tricky to me. There is a new yoga video today. Quiet work is on your own. I have a new literacy story for you. For math, you can log on to Clever and do your Dreambox activity. And the special thing about Wednesday is it is Wednesday Specialist Day. So I will be sharing links and you'll get to see Miss McGee today and Mr. Double D today. So that should be super fun. And the last thing I have for you for morning meeting are the brain spin scores from yesterday. Okay, ready? So, if you remember, my guesses were tic-tac-toe box and sandbox. Well, one of you put down tic-tac-toe, so I had to cross that off on my side. So far I got sandbox. 1 point for teacher. But you guys, you have hashtag, waffle, plus sign, cat litter box, a picture frame, pizza delivery box, a pound sign, mirror, phone charger, and a hopscotch. So let's see. That means you guys have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 1 point and you got 10. You guys win. Congratulations for winning Brain Spin yesterday. But hey, we don't know who's going to win today. Good luck with your challenge. I love you and I miss you, and I will see you in another video real soon. Okay. Gigawabaminanim.